Now, this particular groove is a mixture of a Bernard Edwards style bass line with Brit funk. If you are familiar with the band Incognito from Britain, it's a kind of funky style with the horns that goes a little bit back to the style of the Earth, Wind and Fire. So you have some 16-note runs, but also mixed, with some walking style lines. So you have a mixture of all of those in there. And now let's look at the individual beats and how they're put together in this one. It has you could say a longer curve that goes over 4 bars before it repeats, and it's basically in C minor in the tonality. So, looking at the first few things here, it starts with doo-doo-doo-doo. Here's your first beat, which is a takademi. So you have the 4 16th notes. All right, no mystery here. Followed by 2 syncopated notes. Repeat. Yes, in this particular case where you're looking at the syncopation, it drives the beat forward. So my beat is here, da, 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 da. So it pushes the beat forward because the 16th note is placed before where the actual beat is. Remember from the earlier lesson, when you place a 16th note accent before the beat, it gives it a sense of pushing it forward. When you place it behind the beat, it's like it feels as if it hitting the brakes on the car, slowing things down, which is an illusion, creates the drama, you see. Okay, so we've got the first 2 together, and let's see where we're going next. We're going to the F chord. And it goes like this. Da, 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 do, do, do. That's a little run with the open string first. And this one starts 16th note after the beat. So if you go takademi, takademi, da 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 da, takademi, takademi, da 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 da, takademi, takademi. So you hear where the silence is. Right there. That's that 16th note rest. Okay, so let's put them together. 1, 2. Oh, one more time. 1, 2, 3. So you hear how harmonically it goes kind of like from the C minor to the F7. 2, 3. See how this goes? So it will be like all right, sounds nice. Let's move on. Getting excited about this right now. Okay. Second half of the line, actually second bar, 16th note rest on beat 1 right away, gives it a sense of drama. So beginning. So what we have here is rhythmically an implication of 3 inside of the 4. You'll find this happening a lot later on, where to create a hip bass line, you imply another time signature inside of the signature that is the obvious one, which again makes it interesting. So you have the da-don, 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 takita, takita, takita. And what is takita? You didn't do your homework. Takita is 3. So here you have takita inside of the 4. So from the beginning, step, step, da 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 da, tuck it, da, tuck it, da, tuck it, da. See, right there. Bum, ba, dum, da, dum, da. And it sounds a little bit like a shuffle, like bum, da, dum, da, dum, da, dum, da, didn't, da, didn't, didn't, da, da. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, tuck it, da, tuck it, da. But notice how here it lays in 4/4. Taka dimmy, taka dimmy. Ah, so now you have it, okay? Da da do do, bim bam, da 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 di do do do. Second half, we da boo da da di di do do do. Again, it goes to the F chord, and with an anticipation, ta pa do da 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 da. We already had that one earlier, and da da do da da 1 da 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 di da da da. All right. And then in the end, you have the Bernard Edwards style walking thing that do 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 do. Let's do this in time. 2, 3. 1 E and the 2 E and the 3 and the 4. All right. Now we can put the whole thing together. 3, very slow. And there you are again at the beginning. All right, you're gonna have fun with this one, aren't you? Okie dokes, let's move on.